Now, let's take a closer look at the monitor. First, the screen is large, spanning 5 inches across. It is a touch screen, making it very convenient and easy to use. There's also a new improvement. The Nightlight icon is now at the top of the screen instead of being on the right, to prevent being accidentally turned on when using the monitor. And you can turn on the Nightlight here, as you can see. The charging station is also very well designed. As you can see here, you can simply drop and charge the monitor. There's also a kickstand behind the monitor that allows it to stand on its own, like this. Now, let me show you what else you can do with the monitor. You can control the pan and tilt function of the camera using any of the 4 arrows here shown on the screen. Let me show you. You can turn the camera left and right horizontally, or tapping up and down to pan the camera vertically. You can also adjust the volume by tapping these 2 buttons on the bottom of the screen, as shown here. You can use this button to adjust the zooming in and out function of the monitor. When you tap once, it brings you to 1.5 times as shown here in the upper right-hand corner. If you tap again, it brings you to 2 times. And if you tap once more, it brings you back to the original frame. Here in the right lower corner, you can see the musical note icon. You can use this to play lullabies, and there are 4 different lullabies built into the system, from 1 to 4. You can either select one or cycle through them by using the All button on the side. You can also use the 2-way audio function to talk to your baby in the room by tapping and holding this icon right here. Hello?